guys, Chris here, indoors outdoors with Edgy. I'm down the beach, it's early. It's Tuesday, first day back at work today, so we'll see how I go tonight. But let's get on the beach, see what we can find. Alright guys, just walked onto the beach and I've got my first signal. So let's see what it is. Says it's in here somewhere. Oh, there you go. Bit of rubbish. Alright guys. Got a signal down here, so let's see what it is. It's beeping okay. Oh, look at that. Bottle cap. Oh, that's a different one. That's just like pure black. I was going to say it's probably a bottle cap. Pure black, nothing on it. That's interesting. There it goes. I got nothing's beeping here, but I think it's a rubbish target. Oh, there we are. Look at that. Tent peg. Okay, guys. Got a signal down here. About there, I reckon. Sounds pretty strong, but could be a bottle cap. Yeah, what's that? I can see something there. Oh, look at that. Dollar coin. Yeah. Rightio, guys. Did have a signal down here just then. Could be rubbish. Could be rubbish. Showing up rubbish on that. Did just feel something actually. Might be a rock. Rubbish. Oh, there you go. Looks like a nail. Looks like a nail. Rusty. Alrighty, guys. A little bit weak, the signal, so I'm not sure what. I don't know. Sure, I think it'll be a bit trash. Definitely a weak signal. Rubbish, I think it's rubbish. Oh, here we go. It's a bloody bottle cap. Alright guys, well I'm down near the water's edge. There's a bit of a cut here. It comes down to the water. So let's have a look at this, see what it is. It says it's pretty deep as well. These are the areas that you could find something. Oh. There you are, tent peg. Rightio guys, I've dug a hole down here. Got a signal. Right there now. It is telling me that it's trash. Let's see if I can show you. See how See how the fourth one's it's trash and a shoe, horseshoe. So that's what happens when you pinpoint. Because I don't have the trash. I don't have the trash one on. Anyway, there we are. A little bit of wire. Alright guys, I've got another signal down here. I flicked it out. Seems to be over here in the pile. Somewhere around here, so I have a feeling it will be a bottle cap. Sounds like a bottle cap. Says it's in the pile here somewhere. This is weird. A bit of coal. Could be a coin then, if it's still there. It says it's here, maybe it's in this part. Oh, here we go. Bottle cap, bottle cap. Rightio guys, I dug a hole down here. Emptied it out, come over here. She's beeping, it might be a pull tab though. Oh, hang on, I can see that. Can you see it? Right there. Looks like, oh yeah, 20-cent piece. Nice. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see this, but I'll put a torch on. She's beeping. Oh, yep, there it is. Bottle cap. Coronavirus. Alrighty, guys. Starting to get light. You can sort of see the sun starting to come up. I had a signal down here. And it was. It's telling me it's trash though, so I don't really like these ones. Anyway, let's have a look and see what's here. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's shiny. Huh. Oh, it looks like one of those hair clips. It's a fancy one. Huh. Anyway, that's alright. Okay guys, so I've got another signal down here. But I'm using the pin pointer. It's telling me it's out, but I don't. I'm real keen on these ones because it is telling me it's trash. So maybe I'll get the pin pointer. But you never know, because I've had signals run up as trash before and they've been good. Turned out to be something totally different. Maybe I might find it. It's probably a little bit of bloody garbage. Anyway, I don't think I'll worry about this one. A bit painful looking for these things. Don't know what that could be. That's a rock. Don't know. So it's in here. Could be something tiny. Some tiny little bit of metal fragment. Anyway, I think I'll give this one a miss, guys. Too hard. Righto guys, got a bit of light now. So, dug a bit of a hole down there, pulled it out and it's beeping around here. So what is it? Oh, hang on, what's that? Oh mate, another nail. Who the hell brings nails to the beach? God damn it. Righto guys, I'm just heading out now. Haven't really found much, but got another signal here. I dug a hole there, put it out here. It's telling me that, but it's telling me it's trash. So anyway, let's have a look. Oh, what's that? Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Man, there is a lot of tent pegs on this beach. Okay. Righto guys, I'm nearly out. I just got to go up to the other side of that building and I'm out. We've got another signal down here. And let's come down here. Another tent peg. God damn. Righto guys, well that was a quick hunt. It's now 7 AM. I'm going to go home. There wasn't much really to cheer about on this one. A little bit of rubbish. Pretty quiet. So anyway, let's get home for the wrap. Righto guys, made it home from the beach today. We didn't get a whole heap of good stuff, but let's have a look. Let's have a look at what we did get. Okay, come down here. This is all I found. I was there for about an hour and 20 minutes. So you got lots of tent pegs. You got your bottle caps. That's interesting. Just a black plain one. Pull tabs. You got like 3 big nails and a little bit of wire. This is an interesting hair clip. It's a bit of a bling bling, but a bit of a fancy hair clip. Look pretty good. Nice and shiny. And the $1 coin and a 20-cent piece. That's really about it. Yeah, not the best, but anyway, you get a bit of rubbish off the beach. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, notifications, all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you on the next hunt. Indoors, outdoors with Edgy.